Welcome back now. We traveled about 8 miles now, and we have to reach that spot. As you can see over there, we came through that valley downside and really tired as hell. And the thing is that what I'm afraid of is that we are running out of water, and I hope that we will get some water down there. And the second thing that we're worried about is the mobile network, and some people are saying that on the other side you will find mobile network as well. So it will be like 2 miles away now, and we're moving to the other side now, and hopefully we will reach maybe after an hour or 15 minutes, not more than that. I'll get back to you once we reach the top. Move it up a little bit forward. You can see this really looks like a movie scene. You know, the white horses grazing on the top of the hill. See how lovely it is. That guy's playing. Look at this. This is so funny. Look at this. What are you doing, man? Whoa. You can feel the vibrations. Here, look at these beautiful houses, and we're moving forward this way, and we have to reach that upper top of the hill, and we will pitch our tents over there. And the good thing is that the area is flat enough at some places that we can pitch our tents easily. That's the best thing. Now finally we decided to pitch our tent right there, and 2 or 4 guys we went in search of water, and I hope they'll be back soon. So let's get started.
Now this is what I was waiting for. This lovely sunset. I can say that the sunset really made my day, and it's $1 million worth. I will never ever forget this. Keeping that aside, I will look on the other side of this high ground. This really touched my heart, and I can say that I will never forget it. Look how beautiful it is, and how beautiful my tents are. And look at my beautiful friend going back to the tents with some firewood. I'm really loving it. Thank you for watching.
Now we're done with collecting the firewood and some dead logs. And remember, when it comes to firewood, the first thing that comes in my mind is that it's going to keep you warm. Second thing is it's going to keep all the wild animals away. And third most important thing, we're going to use it for cooking, because we got some eggs that we're going to fry next, and some chicken as well. So we're going to cook next. Keep watching, because we're loving it.
Almost 7 now. Tell me who can forget this view. lovely clouds on the fire camp. And you know what, I was feeling a little bit hungry. So what I did is, I decided to fry some eggs and make an omelet. Wait, I will show you. Look at this. Lovely. And my friends went on the upper side to get some food now. Oh, it's frying like, wow. Lovely, I'm loving it. It's almost ready, so I'll keep it on this side till it gets cooked completely. And my friends are on the other side now. If you can see that blink of the light, they went there to get some food. And this is my tent that I pitched over here. That's my sleeping bag and some pillows. And I got my sleeping pad as well. This is the other location on the other side. Oh, this is another tent. And we will stay here for the night and enjoy it. See how amazing it is. Wow. Let me wait for my friends until they come back, and then we will eat this egg. And later on maybe we will roast some chicken. I'll get back to you later. Keep watching. Time is 12:57 now, and have a look outside my tent. It's really so beautiful, and I can say that I will never forget this trip. This is one of the best trips ever before, and I'm really happy, and it's worth coming here up in the sky near to the clouds. Wonderful. And it's getting late now, so it's better to sleep because you have to wake up early in the morning and go back home. And I'm afraid it shouldn't rain tomorrow, so good night. Hello, good morning. It's 5:47 and now, and I just woke up and see how beautiful it is. We pitched our tents there, and I thought I should go for a walk. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. And one thing that I realized, that a lot of people have been coming over here, but the worst thing that they do is that you bring bottles like cold drinks or juice, maybe anything, and what they do is they left it on the ground. See, one bottle is here, another one is over there. So what this will do is that, since it's a non-biodegradable material, it will stay here until for ages. So next time when you are on a trip or a track, please do not leave any trails behind, and especially those materials which are non-biodegradable. That'll be the best thing that you can do for the nature. If it's giving you something, you gotta give respect to it. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, wow. Totally amazing. Now we're going to get ready for the breakfast, and then I'll get back to you once we're done with the breakfast. And we'll be leaving early this morning so that we reach on time
to the foothills, and then we will go back. Have a good day. Hello, good morning. Time to say goodbye now, and the weather's getting freaked out a little bit, and it's raining as well, but not that much, and I hope that we will reach safely back to the spot from where we're going to get into our cars and get back home. It was a lovely night, and now we are getting started to go back home. Thank you for watching.